From this we get this equation and we simplify. Or r to the power 2n minus 1 by r to the power n minus 1, that is equal to 425 meter. Before second hit, the ball covers first of all 3/5 of 125 meter. F is a function satisfying this one for all xy which are natural numbers, such that f1 equal to 3 and this. I start like this. Fx, remember x natural number. Now fx, that can be written as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. X numbers of 1. X can be written as sum of x numbers of 1. I have written this. Now it is also given f of x plus y equal to fx into fy. I clarify one. F of 1 plus 1, that will be equal to f1 into f1. Therefore, applying this rule repeatedly, this is equal to f1 into f1 into f1 dot 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 f1. How many f1s are there? X number of f1. Therefore, fx equal to product of x number of f1, that means f1 whole to the power x. Now f1 equal to 3, it is given, therefore it is 3 to the power x. Again, summation fx, where x starts from 1 to n, is equal to 120. Now I can replace this fx by this one, that is equal to 3 to the power x. X starts from 1 to n, is equal to 120. Now this can be written as 3 to the power 1, 3 square, 3 cube, 3 to the power x, that is equal to 120. Now this is series in GP, therefore sum will be now we get an equation involving x, from which 3 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 120 into 2 by 3, that is equal to 80. Therefore 3 to the power x 50 plus 1, that is equal to 81. That means 3 to the power 4. Therefore, we get finally 3 to the power x equal to 3 to the power 4. From that, we get the value of x. This sum is solved. Now we move to the next one. Here, sum of GP, that means Sn, is equal to A where A is the first term, R is the common ratio. Therefore, S2n is equal to 4 into Sn. A r to the power 2n minus 1 by r minus 1 is equal to 4 into A r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. From this we get this equation and we simplify. Or r to the power 2n minus 1 by r to the power n minus 1, that is equal to 4, and it is r to the power 2n minus 1, that is of the form a square minus b square. These two are cancelled. R to the power n plus 1 equal to 4. Therefore, r to the power n equal to 3. Therefore, we get the value of r to the power n. Then we are going to find that ratio, value of the ratio. Therefore, S3n by Sn, we put the expressions first. A r to the power 3n minus 1 by r minus 1, A and it will be, these r minus 1s are cancelled, A's are cancelled, then AQ minus BQ form. Already we have got the value r to the power n. This is r to the power n whole square plus r to the power n plus 1. Therefore, S3n by Sn equal to 3 square 9 plus 3 plus 1, that is equal to 13. Therefore, S3n by Sn equal to 13. And the sum is solved. Now the next sum, I first read out the sum. When a tennis ball is dropped from a height, it bounces to a height of 3/5 the distance from which it fell. If the ball is dropped from a height of 125 meters, how far has it travelled when it hits the ground for the 6th time? This is actually a sum where we can apply GP. First we draw the problem like this on the right side, right space rather. This is ground level. And this height is 125 meters. Then after the first hit, it will bounce back. If I call this as O, A, then A, actually it will bounce back from here. For understanding purpose, I am taking separate place like this. Say this one B1, then A2, B2, A3, B3, first hit, second hit, third hit, fourth hit, then I have drawn the diagram like this to understand the problem. And right here, before first hit, the ball covers 125 meter, as it is dropped from a height of 125 meter. Before second hit, the ball covers, first of all, 3/5 of 125 meter. Again, after hitting it, bounce back, therefore 2 times of that. After calculation, it will be 150 meters. Before third hit, the ball covers similarly 2 into 3/5 of 75 meters. (90 meters). Before fourth hit, two into 3/5 45. 54 meters. Fifth hit, two into 3/5 into 27 meters. It will be 162. I calculate here. 32 whole 2 by 5 meter. Before 6th hit, that means here it will hitting after 5th one, it will bounce back, therefore it will cover just one time 3 by 5 of 81 by 5 meter. Try to understand. That means after 5th hit, the distance covered by the ball will be one time 3/5 of the earlier height. That means this one. That means 243 by 25, and this is equal to 9 whole. Meter. Therefore, total distance covered by the ball before 6 feet is equal to 150, first 125 plus 150 plus 90 plus 54 plus 32 whole 2 by 5 plus 9 whole 18 by 25 meter. You calculate yourself. I write the final result, that is 461 3 by 25. 461 3 by 25 meter. For understanding purpose, I have drawn this diagram. From the point O, the ball is dropped. It first hits here, then it bounces back, etc. The final distance covered by the ball before 6 feet will be this one. The sum is finished.